The application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. Let us fix this error right now with 8 proven solutions.
Solution number 1. Install the Visual C Redistributable. This fixes about 70% of all cases. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft download page. Download both the x64 and x86 versions. Run the x64 installer first. Accept the license terms, click Install, and wait for it to finish. Then do the same for the x86 installer. After both installations complete, restart your computer and try launching the application again.
Solution number 2. Repair the Visual C Redistributable. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Visual C++. Click the 3-dot menu next to each redistributable entry. Select Modify, and then click Repair. Repeat this for every Visual C++ entry you see. Then restart your computer.
Solution number 3. Run the system file checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. The scan will take 10 to 30 minutes. It checks every protected system file and replaces corrupted ones. If it finds and repairs corrupt files, restart your computer. If it cannot fix everything, move on to the next solution.
Solution number 4. Use the DISM tool to repair the Windows Components Store. In your administrator command prompt, run 3 commands in order. First, dism/online/cleanup-image/checkhealth. Second, dism/online/cleanup-image/scanhealth. Third, dism/online/cleanup-image/restorehealth. The last command downloads clean files from Windows Update, so make sure you are connected to the internet. After DISM finishes, run sfc/scano one more time, then restart.
Solution number 5. Reinstall the affected application. Open Settings, go to Apps, and find the problematic program. Click the 3-dot menu and select Uninstall. After removal, download a fresh copy from the official website and install it again. A clean installation ensures all manifest files and dependencies are properly registered.
Solution number 6. Run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. This helps with older software. Right-click the application .exe file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Click Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. Select Troubleshoot Program, check the option that says the program worked in earlier Windows versions, then click Next. Choose the appropriate Windows version and test the program.
Solution number 7. Check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, including optional ones. Updates often include fixes for system components and runtime libraries. Restart when prompted.
Solution number 8. Use System Restore to roll back your system. Press Windows+R, type rstrui.exe, and press Enter. Select a restore point from before the error started. Click Next, then Finish. Your personal files will be safe, but recently installed programs may need to be reinstalled.
Now let us look at how to diagnose this error. Open Event Viewer by right-clicking the Start button. Expand Windows Logs and click Application. Look for red error entries with the source listed as SideBySide. Click on the error to see the details below. The log tells you exactly which assembly is missing, including the name, version, and processor architecture. Write this information down to guide your fix.
For deeper diagnosis, use the SxSTrace tool. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type SxSTrace trace-lib5:c:/temp/SxStrace.etl. Now try launching the failing application. Then stop the trace and convert it with SxStrace parse -c:\/temp/outfile:/c:\/temp/SxStrace.txt.
Open the text file to see exactly where the assembly resolution failed.
So, what is SideBySide? Think of it as a library. Each program carries a reading list called a manifest that specifies exactly which version of each shared library it needs. Windows stores all these library versions in the WinSxS folder at c:\windows\WinSxS. When you launch a program, Windows checks this folder for the exact version the program requires. If that version is missing or damaged, the program cannot start, and you get the side-by-side error.
The most common causes are as follows. Number 1, missing or corrupted Visual C++ redistributable files. Number 2, corrupted system files from disk errors or unexpected shutdowns. Number 3, a damaged application manifest file. Number 4, incomplete Windows updates leaving the component store in an inconsistent state. And number 5, architecture mismatch between 32-bit and 64-bit runtimes.
To recap, start by installing the Visual C++ redistributable. Then try SFC and DISM and work through the remaining solutions if needed. To prevent this error, always install both x64 and x86 runtimes, keep Windows updated, and avoid aggressive cleanup tools. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.